The Regency Care Chair is covered in a vapour permeable Dartex material in the central seated area and leg rest. Heavy duty vinyl on the armrests and backrest wings. It's recommended that these covers are wiped down regularly with soap and water or antibacterial wipes. This should also include opening the wings and armrests to remove any built-up food and debris. Keep in mind that Dartex is a fully waterproof material. However, when it comes into regular contact with urine under the pressure of the seated user, the urine may eventually eat away the waterproofing fabric and it will soak through to the foam below. It's best to regularly wipe over the seated surface to avoid concentrated urine buildup and monitor the status of the seated surface, looking for any cracks or white streaks that may appear in that Dartex. The adaptable and multi-positional Regency Care Chair is available for trial, purchase and hire from Unicare Health.